Hello dear student, welcome back to a new lesson, which is our topic today is present simple. Let's see what's present simple and when do we use them. We use the present simple tense to talk about something that is true in the present or for daily routine. For example, when I say I'm 9 years old, I'm 19 years old, or you can say I'm 20 years old, or I'm 19 years old. It means, for another example, he lives in London. This is something that is true. He lives in London. Where do you live? I live in London. Or for example, I'm 19 years old. I'm 19 years old. And he lives in London. I'm a student. I'm a student here. I wake up at 7 o'clock. I wake up at 7 o'clock. This is daily routine that when you talk about your daily routine, you have to use present simple. I wake up, I wash my face, I go to school. This is all the daily routine. I wake up at 7 o'clock. But be careful in the grammatical structure with I, you, we, they. The main verb should be base. We don't have any ing or ed or es. For example, I go to school every day. I go to school every day. You play the guitar very well. You can say you play guitar well. You play guitar well. In each main verb, go, play, we should be base without any s or ing or ed. We work home every day. We work home every day. They visit new places. They visit new places. And for grammatical structure with the subject he, she, it, the main verb should be added s. The main verb should add s. Should be added s so as to use grammatical structure. For example, he works hard. We cannot say he work hard. We should say he works hard. She wears uniform every day. She wears uniform every day. It snows heavily in winter. Tom has lunch at school. Ethan drinks a cup of coffee every morning. Ethan drinks a cup of coffee every morning. With the present tense, we use do and does to make question. We use does for the third person singular. What is the third person singular pronouns? For example, let's see that from the examples I explain it. Does he go to school? Does he go to school? Does Jake play football? Does she work at school? Does she work at school? I forget to write question mark here. Does, we use does with the third person singular he, she, it. Another one. We use do for make question for they, we, you, I. For example, do I play football very well? Do I play football very well? We cannot say does I. We should say do I play football very well? Do they go to school on Friday? Do they go to school on Friday? We cannot say does. We have to say do. Do they go to school on Friday? Do we use fun while driving? Do we use fun while driving? We cannot say does we use fun while driving. Do you like carrot? We cannot say does you like carrot. It's grammatically correct. We should say do you like carrot? For negative forms, we use don't with they, we, you, I. I don't play football. You don't dance. We don't eat pizza. They don't like ice cream. With they, we, you, I, we use don't. For negative form, we use does with he, she, it. For example, he doesn't read. She doesn't study. It doesn't sleep. For example, doesn't sleep. And we use present simple to talk about things which are repeated every day. I usually get up at 7 o'clock. I usually get up at 7 o'clock. We always go on holiday in the summer. Thanks for listening and watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Goodbye.